Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'll show you how to convert an Excel file into a CSV file. The nice thing is you'll keep your original Excel file, and you'll also get a separate CSV version with the same data. I'm using Excel 365 here, but I'll also walk you through Excel 2010, since the steps look slightly different. First, open the Excel file you want to convert. In Excel 365, go to File, Save As. You'll see the file is currently saved as an Excel workbook. Click the drop-down for file types and choose CSV UTF-8 if your data contains foreign characters. Otherwise, select CSV, Delimited, then click Save. Now if I open the saved CSV file in a text editor like Notepad, you can see the data is separated by commas. That's exactly what CSV means. Comma-separated values. Let's do the same in Excel 2010. Again, open your Excel file and go to File, Save As. This time, the Save As dialog box opens. In the Save As type drop-down, choose CSV, Delimited, and click Save. Confirm you want to replace the file if prompted. Excel 2010 gives you an extra message. It warns that formatting, like bold text, borders, or colors, won't carry over to CSV. That's normal, since CSV files only store plain text and values. Click Yes to continue. When you open the new CSV file, you'll see it works exactly the same way as in Excel 365. That's it. You've now converted your Excel file into a CSV while keeping the original workbook intact. Thanks for watching. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tutorials.